Hello again, children. We are so excited that some of you are going to be coming back to school soon, and you would not believe how busy we are getting school ready for your safe return. The staff are all in the classrooms and around the school, making sure that everything is just right. So today's assembly is about what you can do to get ready to come back to school, and it's special because of that reason, but also because I've got two helpers today. I'd like to introduce you first of all to Emily.
Hi.
And to Jonathan.
Hi.
And they are my children, and they have helped me to plan today's assembly. So thank you very much, guys. So Emily, you've got these bubbles. Tell everybody why you were waving the bubbles around today.
Because when you go back to school, you will be put in groups called bubbles.
That is exactly it. Children, when you come back, we are going to have put you in groups with an adult or two, and you will be called bubbles, and you'll be with the children and that adult while you're in school. And you won't really see the children in the other bubbles apart from to wave to and to give a big smile to. You're going to stick with those children in those bubbles. And the reason we're doing that is so that if anyone gets the virus, it means that only the people in the bubble are affected by it, and we can take great care of you and look after everybody else in school as well. So that's why we've got bubbles, isn't it, Emma?
Mm-hmm.
But we don't really want anyone to get the virus, do we? No. So what can we do to stop people catching the virus?
When you're in your bubble, stay 2 meters apart from everybody else.
Stay 2 meters apart from people. Jonathan, did you have an idea?
Catch your cough and sneeze.
Catching your coughs and sneezes, thank you. And any other things?
Washing your hands very thoroughly.
Washing hands very thoroughly, that's right. Well, listen, 2 meters is actually longer than you would think. Children, you take this piece of paper. This piece of paper is exactly 2 meters long. Did you know that doors are actually about 2 meters high? Well, we are going to go round St. Martin's today, and we are going to find a few things to see if they are longer or shorter than 2 meters. Longer or shorter than 2 meters?
Shorter.
Longer or shorter than 2 meters?
Longer.
Longer or shorter than 2 meters, children?
The same.
Emily, is Jonathan taller or shorter than 2 meters?
Shorter.
So Emily, we know about the 2 meters, but what happens if we have a cough or a sneeze?
You have to catch it, you have to bin it, and you have to kill it by washing your hands.
Perfect, thank you, Emily. But what happens if you haven't got a tissue?
You have to sneeze into your elbow, and then wash your hands off.
Wash your hands. Now, there is some special techniques for washing your hands. So we're going to go into the classroom now, and Jonathan is going to wash his hands, showing you exactly how to do it. So we talked about washing hands, didn't we? How long do we need to wash our hands for?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. And Jonathan has been practicing washing his hands, and he's going to show you exactly how to do it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Well done, Jonathan. Let me see those hands. So clean, well done. And put your paper towel in the bin. And if you are not sure how long 20 seconds is, sing happy birthday to yourself twice. So children, when you come back to school, things are going to be different. And it is understandable if you're a little bit worried about that. But as I've always said to you before, the Bible and Jesus always have the right thing to say to us to make us feel better. And this is no different, because actually there is a letter to the Philippians in which it says, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And by the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Jesus Christ." The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. So children, have a look for that. It's the Philippians. It is chapter 4, verses 6 to 7. Now before we go, we've got a prayer, haven't we, Emily? So we're going to read it together. Just listen to the words because they're really powerful. We are not people of fear.
We are people of courage.
We are not people who protect our own safety.
We are people who protect our neighbour's safety.
We are not people of greed.
We are people of generosity.
We are your people, God, giving and loving wherever we are, whatever it costs, for as long as it takes, wherever you call us. Amen. Children, we are looking forward to seeing you. Some of you will be coming back to school next week, others the week after, and then we'll be getting into contact with all of your parents about other classes. Have a lovely, lovely week. Enjoy the weather while the sun shines, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.